Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. In this particular channel you will get CBSE, ICSE and WBB SE solutions of all subjects. Students, we are going to learn how to solve these sums in this particular class. Before solving all these sums, I will give you some concept. By using that concept, very easily you can solve the sums. As you can see, here we have additive property. So first property is additive property because in the middle we have addition here. So let us see the property. So minus plus minus will give you sum will be plus. For example, if I take minus 5 plus minus 2, as you can see my dear students, here we have minus, next we have a plus, next we have minus. So this is the property which I have followed here. So the sum will be plus. That means we need to add the numbers here. So 5 and 2 will give you 7, that is 5 plus 2 7. Now sign will be of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So before 5, as we have negative, so it will be negative 7. So our answer is minus 7. Similarly, let us understand the second property, that is plus 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 will give you plus. So let us take a number, that is plus 2 plus 5. Okay, I am taking 2 and 5 for your understanding only. So as you can see, we have 5 and 2 here. So here if you see the sign, we have plus, again we have plus, again we have plus. So you will do addition. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. And which sign you need to give? Sign of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So here it will be plus 7 here. So my dear students, you must also know that if I write like this, that is plus 2 plus plus 5, this can be written as 2 plus 5. Why it can be written as 2 plus 5? Because if we give here plus 2, it is plus 2. But if we don't give any sign before 2, that means by default it is positive number. Similarly, if we give here plus 5, that means it is positive number. But if we don't give any sign before 5, that also means that it is a positive 5. Next property is minus plus plus. So let us see this. So we have minus 2 and we have plus plus 5. You can write only 5 also. Okay, now you see. So here the sum will be negative. So 5 minus 2, you will get what? You will get 3. And the sign of the bigger one is plus here. So your answer will be plus 3 here. Is it clear? Next property, we have plus 2 plus and we have a minus 5. So here if we want to follow, we are going to follow this property. So what will be the case here? Here the sum will be negative. So if we get a negative, then we will get 5 minus 2, that is 3. And always the sign will be the of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 5, so it is minus 3. Okay students, do you want to mug up all these things, means learn all these formulas? No need. Listen to me, what you will just learn. If the sign is same, as you can see here plus plus and here minus minus, that means sum will be positive. When the sign are different, that is here minus plus and here plus minus, then the sum will be negative. Okay, and sign will be always of the bigger number. Okay, so this is the conclusion. You will just remember this and solve all the sums very easily. You need not to mug up or learn all these things separately. Let us see the second property or the last property to solve this particular sums. So here if we have multiplication in between two signs, then it is a multiplication property. And in multiplication properties, the calculation will be always multiplication. And here we need to remember the sign. First let us see how this is working. And after that I will give you a conclusion of this formula or properties. As you can see, first one we have, if we take minus 2 into minus 5, then the sign will be positive. That means minus into minus will give you positive. So we have written positive, and 5 into 2 will be 10. So our answer is plus 10. Next one, if we see the next property, that is plus 2 into plus 5 here. So plus 2 into plus 5, as you can see, plus into plus will give you a positive sign. So here the sign will be positive and calculation will be 2 into 5, that is 10. So here also we are getting plus 10. Next one, as you can see, minus into plus will give you a negative sign. So here minus 2 into plus 5. So here the sign will be negative and answer will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So this is the answer. Next one, or the last property, plus into minus will give you minus. So if we take plus 2 into minus 5, okay, then calculation 5 into 2 you will get 10, but here we have plus and here we have minus, so the sign will be negative, so answer will be minus 10. Now students, how you are going to remember this property of multiplication? You will remember like this: whenever you will get two negative signs or two positive signs, or the sign will be same, okay, in the question, then in the answer also sign will be positive always, okay. If the sign is same in the question, then the answer sign will be positive. Next one, if the sign of the question are different, one is plus, another is minus, then in sign you will get a negative sign. So this is the ultimate thing which you need to solve all the sums. So my dear students, let's start with the second part of this video. So here are the sums which we are going to solve in this particular video. Let's start with the first one. So here you need to fill in the blanks with greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So before that, you must see that we need to place the sign in this particular place. So this side is LHS and this side is RHS. So let's solve the LHS and RHS separately. So this side is LHS, that is left hand side, and this one is RHS, that is right hand side. You need to solve all these things in the rough. So here as you can see, we have minus 3 and we have plus and minus, that is minus 6 here. Now additive property says that if this one is negative and this one is also negative, or the sign are same, then we need to add. So 6 plus 3 will be 9, and we need to give the sign of the greater one. So here it will be minus 9. So LHS is minus 9. Now let's solve for RHS. So first we will write minus 3 as it is, and as we have minus and minus, we know minus into minus will be plus, and according to the multiplicative property. Or you can remember, if within the bracket also we have a negative sign and outside also it has a negative sign, then it will be changing into positive one. So minus 3 and minus 6. Now you need to apply the additive property and solve this. So here as you can see, the sign are different, so you need to find the difference. So bigger one is 6. 6 minus 3, you will get 3, and you need to give the sign of the bigger number, that is plus. So it is plus 3, and as you can see, plus 3 is greater than minus 9. So here the sign will be like this, that is LHS is less than RHS. So here the sign is this one, that is less than. Let us move on to the next one. Similarly, we are going to solve the LHS, and here we have the RHS. So LHS we have minus 21. You will write the first number with the sign, and here minus and minus, which will become plus, and this will be 10. Now further solving, as you can see, both the sign are different, so you need to find the difference. So bigger number is 21. 21 minus 10 is 11, and you need to give the sign of the bigger one, that is 21. So here it will be minus 11. Now let us move on to RHS. So as you can see, we have minus 31, and this one is plus and minus. Whenever you will find one plus and another minus, then you will get a minus. A different sign, if we multiply, the sign will be negative, and similar sign if we multiply, you will get a positive sign here. So here it will be negative and we will write 11 as it is. Now as you can see, this one is minus, this one is minus, that is same sign, and now we need to apply the additive property. So minus and minus you need to add, so you will get 42 and the sign will be negative, that is the sign of the bigger number. Now you can see minus 11 and minus 42. Here which one is bigger? Minus 11 is bigger than minus 42. Let us see with an example. If I say you are having 10 pens, if I take 2 pens, that is minus 2, then you will be left with 8 pens. But instead of taking minus 2, if I take minus 5, then you will be left with 5. So what you are getting? If we take minus 2, means we are taking less amount, so you are left with 8. If we are taking minus 5, means you are taking more, so you are left with 5, which is less than 8. So here the number, when you are just comparing the number which are negative, then the number which one is smaller will be greater than the bigger one. So here minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So here the sign will be like this, that is greater than. LHS is greater than RHS. Let us move on to the next one. So LHS and this side is RHS. Now 45 you will write with the sign, as it has plus, you need not to write anything. Here we have minus and minus, so it will become plus and you will write 11. Now you will apply the additive property. Here also plus, here also plus, that means you need to add both the number, so you will get 56 and you need to give the sign of the bigger one, so it is plus. Now right hand side, 57. As you can see, plus and minus, so plus into minus will be minus, or two different sign is there, so you will place minus here and you will write 4 here. Now as you can see, plus 57 and minus 4, that is two different sign, so you need to find out the difference. So 57 minus 4 is 53 and you need to give the sign of the bigger one, that is plus. So here 56, positive 56 is always more than positive 53, so here the sign will be like this. Next one, so here you will write the LHS and this side is your RHS. So first one you will write with the sign, so minus 25 you have written as it is. So as you can see, here also negative, here also negative, so this sign will be positive. Why positive? I have already explained you in the previous video and this video also. And my dear students, you must watch the first video, because there I have shared many things which are very important to clear your concept. As I have already said that it is very important to clear the concept. If you can solve this sum, that doesn't mean that you can solve all the sums, but if your concept is clear, then you can solve any problem very easily. So let's continue. So here we will apply the additive property, as the sign are different. So what you need to do is we need to find the difference. So 42 minus 25 you need to calculate. If you can't calculate in mind, you can write it like this, that is 42 minus 25. Now as you can see, this will be 12 and this will be 3. So 12 minus 5 will be 7 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. So here the answer will be 17 and the sign will be positive, because here 42 or the bigger number is having positive sign. Now let us move on to the right hand side. Here we have minus 42. You will write the first number as it is. We have minus and minus. We know in multiplicative identity we will get it as a positive, as two similar sign will be converted into positive sign. So here we will get 25 as it is. Now we will apply the additive property. Here you can see this one is negative, this one is positive, so different sign, so you need to find out the difference. So minus 42 plus 25 will give you 42 minus 25. We had already calculated before, so it will be 17. So we will write 17 here, but you must remember we need to give the sign of the bigger number, that is 42. so it will be minus 17. And this one is positive sign, that is LHS and RHS is negative 17, but the number is same, here also 17, here also 17, so the positive one will be greater than the negative one, so here LHS is greater than RHS. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel. Also click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. Students, if you want to contact or communicate with the expert faculties of this particular channel, then you must join the Telegram channel or the Facebook page. And students, if you want to get tuitions, then also you can contact us through Telegram. Stay safe, have a nice day, and keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you students, have a nice day.